Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Bossy Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic how Bissell Crosswave works. Know about the features and working of Bissell Crosswave before purchase. Wonder why it is so useful and how can you efficiently keep your Crosswave work every time you use it. See the details, then buy them. Let's start with the introduction of Bissell. Bissell is a prominent manufacturing corporation. It manufactures home care products that are widely used by people throughout the world. Its headquarters is located in Michigan. It was founded in 1876. Since 140 years, it has manufactured various reasonable and promising gadgets to make house cleaning easier. Bissell Crosswave product detail. SKU of this product is 17132. It is a vacuum cleaner that completes your cleaning at one go. It does the work of vacuum, washing, and even dries the surface. It is available in two distinct colors, namely blue and titanium. Whether small or big, all the mess can be cleaned up using the remarkable cleaning gadget. The power consumption of this cleaner is 560 watts. It completes all the work and you even don't need to do anything once you clean the surface with Bissell Crosswave. It eliminates the need for mop and vacuum. This product has a height of 116.8 centimeter. It has furnished this with the brush roll which can be removed. You can easily remove it and clean it for further usage. It can be used on a regular basis for any type of surface, and so you don't need to worry about which surface you have at your home if you are planning to buy one. And even this facilitates you with the control over the flow of water. If you require a lesser amount of water or more amount of water, it's just upon your need. The water will simply not spill over the surface. Next is suitable for. It is suitable for tiles, sealed wood floors, laminate, area rugs, linoleum, rubber floor mats, pressed wood floors, carpets, bare floors, low pile carpets, hard floors. Technology. It has been fitted with a nylon brush, dual water tanks, vacuum suction system, and many more. It does the cleaning work in a lesser time interval. It just frees you up from mopping and removing stains. The suction pull of this cleaner is very powerful and it does not leave any type of stains on the floor. It has dual action brush roll which rotates at speed of 3000 rpm. With this speed, the area is washed completely and at faster rate. It cleans the area of length 12 inches at one time. Next is working of Bissell Crosswave. The working of Bissell Crosswave is effortless. It can be used anytime by anyone. The nylon brushes clean the surface neatly along with the revolutionary cleansing solution. First, the surface is vacuumed using its powerful suction pull. The brush roll will spin and clean the surface. Then the cleansing solution is poured and the nylon brush cleans everything on the surface. Then empty the tank in which the dirty water is collected and clean the brush neatly and keep it to dry. Last but not least, the conclusion. To sum up, you must agree to this that Bissell Crosswave is a fantastic gadget. It makes cleaning easy and prosperous. There will be no mess and it will be an easy process if you use Crosswave cleaner. Having a look at the advantage of having the Bissell Crosswave, it is now easier to decide whether you require it or not. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.